Hello dosto, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be discussing the foundation results, expected results date, inter and final expected result week or date, and two more questions were there that when re-exams will happen for the students who have faced technical glitches in their examinations, and another question was there regarding the new training scheme, that if the new computer training scheme is available for all students as well who have registered before 11th August 2020. So watch this video till then. I won't take much time of yours. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
अब यहाँ तक आ ही गए हो तो आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब बटन के साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करो.
So first question is foundation results. Foundation results are awaited from a long time and it is expected to be released today, that is Republic Day, and it is not sure, but it is definite that it will come before 31st of January, and the chances are highly there that it will be released by today. So this was foundation. This was about foundation results. So all the best foundation guys. And coming to CMA Inter and Final results, it will be declared most probably in the last week of Feb. Now the third thing, when the re-exams will be happen for the students who have faced technical glitches. So as you know, rescheduled examinations have been going on right now, which will end on 28th January. So after that, institute will conduct re-examinations of the students who have faced technical glitches in their exams, in their main exams. So this was for the students who have faced technical glitches, right? Now coming to the last point, that is new training scheme will be applicable for all students as well or not. So for now it is not there, but you can but institute is considering it. And for the timing, if you are in connection with any student who is who is eligible for this training, then you can ask them for the link and you can watch it from there itself. So if you want, you can watch it. So this is it, and that's all the best, and see you all in the next video.